I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Kali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Kali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bit Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select actions. FlowMattic. Give here the webhook link. So go to the FlowMattic WordPress panel. Click on Webhook. Copy the webhook URL. And capture the webhook data. Go to the integration site and paste that URL here. Body. Send all data. Choose application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the FlowMattic site and choose your desired action. I am choosing MailChimp. Choose an action event. Connect to MailChimp. For Authorize with MailChimp, complete all the process. Select an audience list. Map the respective fields. Subscription status. Save and test action. Save workflow. Now click on the left button and keep the workflow live. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to your MailChimp site. Here you can see the data came successfully in MailChimp. So, in this way, you can send your data via FlowMattic. Thanks for watching.